So we're going to bring it back with the OG, and I'm literally super excited. The original Gangster, Nightwish, we're going to be bringing it back. I still listen to the same songs over and over, so we're going to investigate a bit more. I have not heard this. I don't know if this is a new album. I'm dense as hell. I don't keep up with things, but I'm pretty sure it is a new album. I'm pretty sure they came up with a new album. I think so. If I'm wrong, don't come for us. But this is Nightwish Noise official music video, and I like music videos, so I'm excited. Prepare myself
for the Nightwish.
Bring back the legends. Are you ready? Turn the volume up. Okay. Oh. Okay, we've got a baby. We've got a person in a mask who looks very scary. What the hell is that on the baby? I should have expected it from them. They always start off like so bam. This is a quirky video. Oh, look at the floor. I'm invested. Everything I imagined, everything that I wanted, everything that I needed. Please love me, see how I bleed, please endure. I have such empathy in me. I don't know who the blonde girl is though. Is that just like Paige Arms or something? That thing's scaring us. Giving us a bit of is it Evanescence or Evanescence vibes, like the background music. Don't criticize us. Oh. So good because while their songs it's like a constant build up and you never know what to expect. Like this. I can't sing because I don't know. the lyrics, but I'm going to copy off this monster thing. I love the thought that went into this video as well. Like it's literally like knocking out my routine. I'm very invested. That was like, oh, that was a very soothing, sunny ending to end off like a really hardcore, brilliant song. I loved it. It was unusual. Like the ending, how
It was like bum 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 bum, and then it was like.
But anyways, I absolutely love that. I'm like literally so excited to see the rest of the album. Like, I just feel like we need to bring the legends back because I absolutely love these. I really do. As much as I love Led Zeppelin in the morning and Angelina, we need to have a bit more Nightwish back in my life. Really do. So anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you dislike it, give it a thumbs down. And other than that, I'll see you all in my next video. Stay at home.